What is up, y'all? I'm back again with a pair of Vans here. These are the Anaheim factory style 44 olive green colorway. Pretty much authentic pro type Vans. They just call them the style of 44. Suede is super buttery on the upper, olive green with the black Vans tab. Boxing is black. It's raised as well for that premium feel. You got that authentic reminiscent heel tab right here with red painted on rubber backing for the Vans logo there. It is worn because these are pre-owned. I bought them used for a good price. But gum bottoms right there, still pretty fresh. Thinking about skating these maybe. Ultra Cush style 44 on the corner. It is faded with the leather tab on the heel and then the regular Ultra Cush insole to the toes. Black laces. You got the style 44 tab right there. Pretty clean. But yeah, pretty clean shoe. Pretty sure these are sold out on the Vans site. I did check a couple days ago. But yeah, haven't seen these reviewed on YouTube, so just thought I'd show y'all what is up. Ninja Turtle vibes, military vibes right here. Great quality Vans. If you like it, you don't. On feet maybe. Let me know. Jesus loves y'all. Peace.